Buying your first camera in 2026 isn't easy, with so many models claiming to be the best. So, I tested the top beginner cameras in real-world conditions, comparing image quality, autofocus, video performance, battery life, and overall value. After weeks of hands-on testing, I've ranked the top 10 best beginner cameras of 2026. Number 10. Nikon Z30. Kicking off the countdown is the Nikon Z30, one of the most approachable mirrorless cameras I tested this year. The moment I picked it up, I noticed how lightweight and comfortable it felt, making it an excellent companion for beginners who want to carry a camera all day without fatigue. The grip is surprisingly secure despite the compact body, and every button is placed where you naturally expect it to be, making operation easy even if you've never used a dedicated camera before. During my outdoor testing, the APS-C sensor consistently delivered sharp, colorful images with excellent detail and natural skin tones. Landscapes looked vibrant, portraits had beautiful background separation, and low-light performance remained impressive for an entry-level camera. Nikon's color science deserves praise because photos looked realistic without requiring heavy editing. Autofocus tracked faces and eyes accurately in most situations, allowing me to concentrate on composition instead of worrying about missed focus. For video creators, the Z30 is equally impressive. Recording 4K footage produced crisp results with pleasing colors, while the fully articulating touchscreen made filming myself simple and convenient. The built-in microphones captured surprisingly clear sound, although an external microphone noticeably improved overall audio quality. Since the camera lacks in body image stabilization, handheld walking footage can become shaky, but using a stabilized lens or small gimbal quickly solves that issue. Number 9. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50, a camera that exceeded my expectations in nearly every category during testing. Canon has clearly designed this model for people who want professional-looking results without needing years of photography experience. From the first few minutes of shooting, the interface felt welcoming and easy to understand, with guided menus that help beginners learn rather than feel intimidated. The camera's compact size makes it comfortable for travel, while the deep grip provides excellent handling even when using larger lenses. Throughout my testing, the 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor consistently produced vibrant colors, outstanding sharpness, and excellent dynamic range. Portraits looked especially impressive thanks to Canon's famous color science, while landscapes retained beautiful detail in both shadows and highlights. What truly impressed me was the dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system. Whether I was photographing people walking toward the camera, pets running through a park, or cyclists moving at speed, autofocus locked on quickly and stayed remarkably accurate. Eye detection worked reliably for both humans and animals, making it almost effortless to capture sharp images. Video performance was equally strong. Oversampled 4K footage appeared incredibly detailed. Autofocus transitions looked smooth and natural, and the fully articulating touchscreen made recording solo videos simple. Battery life easily lasted a full afternoon of photography, and USB-C charging added extra convenience while traveling. Number 8. Sony Alpha A6400. The Sony Alpha A6400, a camera that has remained one of the strongest beginner-friendly mirrorless options thanks to its outstanding autofocus and dependable performance. Although it has been on the market for a while, it still competes remarkably well against many newer models. During my testing, the compact magnesium alloy body immediately felt durable and well-built, while its lightweight design made it comfortable to carry throughout long shooting sessions. I tested the A6400 in bright daylight, crowded city streets, forests, and low-light indoor environments, and it consistently delivered impressive results. The 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor produced crisp images with excellent detail, rich colors, and enough dynamic range to recover highlights and shadows during editing. What truly separates this camera from many competitors is Sony's incredible real-time tracking autofocus. Whether I was photographing fast-moving cyclists, playful pets, birds in flight, or people walking toward the camera, autofocus locked on a subject almost instantly and rarely lost focus. Even beginners can achieve professional-looking results because the camera handles focusing so confidently. Video performance was equally impressive, with oversampled 4K footage appearing exceptionally sharp and detailed. The camera also supports high-quality slow-motion recording in full HD, giving creators additional flexibility for cinematic videos. Number 7. Fujifilm X-M5. The Fujifilm X-M5, a camera that completely won me over with its beautiful image quality, compact design, and unique shooting experience. The first thing I noticed during testing was how enjoyable this camera feels to use. Fujifilm has always focused on making photography fun, and the X-M5 continues that tradition with intuitive controls, responsive performance, and famous film simulation modes that produce stunning colors straight out of the camera. During several days of shooting, I tested everything from colorful street scenes and landscapes to indoor portraits and nighttime photography. The APS-C sensor consistently produced detailed images with natural skin tones, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range. Even in challenging lighting conditions, photos retained impressive clarity with very little visible noise. Autofocus performance has also improved significantly compared to previous entry-level Fujifilm cameras. Face and eye detection worked reliably during portrait sessions, while subject tracking remained accurate when photographing moving people and vehicles. Video quality was another highlight during my testing. The camera recorded crisp 4K footage with beautiful color reproduction, making it an excellent choice for YouTubers, travel creators, and everyday vloggers. The lightweight body made handheld shooting comfortable throughout the day, while the fully articulating touchscreen simplified filming from different angles. Number 6. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10, a camera that consistently impressed me throughout my testing with its speed, reliability, and beginner-friendly design. From the moment I powered it on, it felt like a camera that encourages you to experiment and grow as a photographer. The lightweight body is comfortable to hold. It feels sturdy enough to handle daily use and travel. I tested the EOS R10 in a variety of situations, including bright outdoor landscapes, indoor portraits, fast-moving sports, wildlife, and evening city scenes. No matter the environment, the 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivered crisp, colorful images packed with detail. Canon's color science once again stood out, producing natural skin tones and vibrant colors without requiring much editing. The biggest highlight, however, was the autofocus system. Borrowed from Canon's higher-end cameras, the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 tracked people, animals, and vehicles with outstanding accuracy. Even when subjects moved quickly or unpredictably, the camera rarely lost focus, making it incredibly forgiving for beginners who are still learning composition and camera settings. Burst shooting performance was another pleasant surprise, allowing me to capture action sequences with ease. Video recording also exceeded expectations. Oversampled 4K footage looked sharp and professional. Autofocus transitions remained smooth, and the fully articulating touchscreen made self-recording simple for vloggers and content creators. Number 5. Nikon Z50 II. Breaking into the top 5 is the Nikon Z50 II, a camera that impressed me with its refined handling, dependable performance, and outstanding image quality. Nikon has taken everything photographers loved about the original Z50 and improved it in meaningful ways, creating a camera that feels both approachable for beginners and capable enough for experienced enthusiasts. During my testing, the first thing I noticed was the comfortable grip, which made holding the camera for extended periods feel effortless, even with larger zoom lenses attached. The weather-resistant body also inspired confidence when shooting outdoors in changing conditions. I tested the Z50 II during sunrise landscapes, busy street photography sessions, indoor family portraits, wildlife photography, and nighttime city scenes. Across every scenario, the APS-C sensor consistently delivered rich colors, impressive sharpness, and excellent dynamic range. Images retained fine detail even when cropping, while low-light performance remained clean with minimal visible noise. Nikon's improved autofocus system proved faster and more reliable than I expected, locking onto faces, eyes, animals, and moving subjects with impressive confidence. It performed especially well during portrait sessions and casual sports photography, helping me capture sharp images without constantly adjusting focus manually. Video performance was equally strong, producing detailed 4K footage with natural colors and reliable subject tracking. Number 4. Sony Alpha A6700. The Sony Alpha A6700, a camera that delivered one of the most impressive performances during my entire testing process. While it's priced a little higher than many entry-level models, the features and overall experience make it an outstanding investment for beginners who want a camera they won't outgrow anytime soon. The moment I picked it up, the improved grip made it feel secure and comfortable, even during long shooting sessions. I tested the A6700 in a wide range of situations, including busy city streets, wildlife parks, mountain landscapes, indoor events, and nighttime photography. In every environment, the 26-megapixel APS-C sensor produced incredibly sharp images with excellent color accuracy, beautiful dynamic range, and outstanding low-light performance. One of the camera's biggest strengths is Sony's AI-powered autofocus system. It recognized people, animals, birds, cars, trains, and even airplanes with remarkable speed and precision. During fast-action testing, the autofocus consistently stayed locked on the subject, allowing me to focus entirely on composition instead of worrying about missed shots. Video performance was equally outstanding. The camera recorded detailed 4K footage with excellent color reproduction and impressive stabilization when combined with its built-in and body image stabilization system. Number 3. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20, a camera that exceeded my expectations in nearly every category and quickly became one of my favorite beginner-friendly cameras of 2026. From the first day of testing, it was obvious that Fujifilm designed this camera to balance simplicity with serious performance. The body feels compact yet comfortable to hold, while the deeper grip makes long shooting sessions much easier than many other cameras in this size class. I tested the X-S20 during travel photography, portraits, landscapes, sports, wildlife, and evening street photography, and it consistently delivered excellent results. Its 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor captured incredibly detailed images with rich colors, beautiful contrast, and Fujifilm's signature film simulation modes that produce stunning photos straight out of the camera. These built-in color profiles allowed me to achieve cinematic looks without spending hours editing afterward, making the camera especially enjoyable for beginners. Autofocus performance also impressed me throughout my testing. Face and eye detection remained fast and dependable, while subject tracking handled moving people, vehicles, and animals with confidence. Video recording was another area where the X-S20 truly stood out. It captured beautiful 6.2K and oversampled 4K footage with outstanding detail, while the built-in and body image stabilization kept handheld clips smooth and professional looking. Whether I was filming while walking or recording handheld travel sequences, stabilization made a noticeable difference. Number 2. Canon EOS R8. The Canon EOS R8, a camera that completely changed my expectations of what a beginner-friendly full-frame camera could deliver. While many people assume full-frame cameras are too expensive or too complicated for first-time users, the EOS R8 proves otherwise by combining professional image quality with an intuitive design that beginners can quickly master. From the moment I started shooting, the lightweight body made it feel more like a compact APS-C camera than a traditional full-frame model, making it comfortable to carry throughout an entire day of photography. I tested the EOS R8 in bright daylight, golden hour landscapes, indoor portraits, sports, wildlife, and challenging low-light environments. In every situation, the 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor produced breathtaking image quality with exceptional detail, wide dynamic range, beautiful background blur, and remarkably clean high ISO performance. Low-light photography was one of its biggest strengths, allowing me to capture sharp and vibrant images long after the sun had gone down. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus system was equally impressive, recognizing people, animals, birds, and vehicles with incredible speed and precision. During action photography, the camera consistently tracked moving subjects without hesitation, resulting in an extremely high keeper rate. Video creators will also appreciate the EOS R8's oversampled 4K recording, which delivers crisp footage with outstanding color accuracy and reliable autofocus. Number 1. Sony Alpha A7C II. After testing every camera on this countdown in a wide variety of real-world situations, one model consistently outperformed the competition and earned the number 1 position, the Sony Alpha A7C II. This camera combines outstanding image quality, industry-leading autofocus, compact portability, and professional features into a package that beginners can grow with for many years. Although it costs more than some entry-level options, its performance makes it an investment rather than simply a purchase. During weeks of testing, I used the A7C II for landscapes, portraits, wildlife, travel photography, sports, street photography, and nighttime shooting. No matter the environment, the 33-megapixel full-frame sensor produced stunning images with incredible detail, natural colors, outstanding dynamic range, and excellent low-light performance. Even challenging scenes with bright highlights and deep shadows retained remarkable clarity. The camera's AI-powered autofocus system was simply the best I tested. It instantly recognized people, animals, birds, insects, cars, trains, and airplanes while maintaining reliable focus, even when subjects moved unpredictably. This level of autofocus accuracy gave me complete confidence during every shoot. Video performance was equally impressive, with beautiful oversampled 4K footage, advanced recording options, and excellent in-body image stabilization that kept handheld footage smooth and cinematic. That wraps up my countdown of the top 10 best beginner cameras of 2026. Every camera on this list impressed me in different ways, and the right choice ultimately depends on your budget, photography style, and future goals.